What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys it is another update on VGX, which has been performing absolutely insane over the last week or so. As you can see, consistently hitting green candles and getting very close to the $1 mark, guys. As you can see, it is currently at 60 cents and has pumped up over 50% in the last 24 hours. So we're going to be going through how far is it going to keep pumping. Is it time to buy it? Is it too late? Or on the other hand, is it time to sell it and take out your profits? Or is it simply time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher? And also covering both buyers and sellers point of view and looking at its prediction over the short term and long term as well, looking at how high can this crypto go in 2023 and is there crypto still worth investing into this year. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you guys can see, we are currently on the Coinbase website. The market is down just about 0.6% down, which is not looking too good. However, VGX is a top gainer in the last 24 hours. In the last hour itself, we managed to gain 10% in a single hour, which is absolutely insane. Over the last day, 56%, over the week, 47%, and over the month, 21%. So yes, it was dropping quite a bit earlier on in February, and then since it hit about March, it's slowly starting to gain value, and it's still ongoing right now. So going into the Coinbase website here, we can see the trading volume has also gone up over 320%, making it $157 million in trading, which is a huge percentage increase, guys. And the trading volume has been going up over the last couple of days as the value of VGX has also been going up. So we're seeing a lot more investors, a lot more sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading it, as it has been a top gainer over the last week or so, and it's been performing very well. So yeah, it's been getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype, and more people have been looking into the project as well. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the daily chart, the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So at the top, as usual, we've got the SMA indicator, the purple line giving us the average value of VGX, which is here in purple at 45 cents. However, it is actually trading at a much higher value here in green at 60 cents, nearly hitting 61 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer as usual. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction, looking very positive, guys. However, the only reason why it's looking so steep going in a bullish direction is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. And as I keep saying, guys, whenever you see a MACD indicator looking this steep, it's not realistic. Again, I'm not expecting it to keep pumping over the next 12 to 14 hours. What I am expecting is for it to drop down in value, take a bit of red candles in between, and then also green candles. So yes, guys, do expect it to drop down to about 55 cents over the next couple of hours before it pumps back up again, hitting about 65 to 70 cents later this evening. So let's say towards the end of the day today, I'm expecting it to be trading near about 65 to 67 cents in target. But again, I am also expecting it to drop down in value in between. As you can see, throughout the last 24 hours, it's been pumping, dropping, pumping, dropping, pumping, dropping. So it's going to be a repeated cycle, but overall it is going to be moving towards the positive direction. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we expect here? So over the next 7 to 8 days, so let's say by mid next week, once again, we've got the blue and the orange line looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction. Once again, that's not realistic, but yes, in this case, I am also expecting an overall increase in value from VGX. So let's say by mid next week, I am expecting Voyager token to be trading above 70 to 72 cents in target, somewhere in between there. Again, I'm not going to go too crazy. Yes, it may pump up to 70, 75 cents in the next couple of hours as well. But what I'm saying is for it to hit 70, 75 cents and then stay there instead of dropping back down. So over the coming days, I'm expecting it to take a little bit of a drop, step back in value, take a little break as you want to call it. And then towards the end of this week and early next week, I'm expecting it to start gaining value again, heading to around 70 to 73 cents in target by mid next week is what my predictions are at the moment. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? We're not looking as bullish now, sorry, not as steep, but we are still looking bullish. So we still got the blue and the orange line going in a positive direction. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, I'm talking about late April, early May 2023, I'm also expecting an overall increase in value from Voyager token, and at that point we should be way above the $1 mark. And guys, over the next 2 months, let's say early May 2023, we should be trading around $1.40, $1.45 is what I'm expecting Voyager token to be trading at. So when is it likely to hit the dollar mark is the main question here. So over the next 2 to 3 weeks, guys. So towards the end of March is when I'm expecting Voyager token to be hitting the $1 mark and going above that target instead of straight away dropping back down. So yeah, at the moment, end of March, we should be able to hit the dollar mark, which is approximately over the next 2 to 3 weeks, guys. We should be able to hit that target. And again, that doesn't mean that we're going to be consistently hitting green candles from this point onwards. Of course not. It is likely to take dips in between. Green candles, red candles are going to be quite volatile, but what matters is the overall outcome, which at the moment seems to be more on the positive side. So yeah, so far so good for VGX for the long term and for the short term as well. But as I did mention earlier on in the video, do expect it to hit red candles in between, take a little bit of a step back over the coming hours and over the coming days as well before it starts to gain value. So for the short-term traders out there, make sure your risk management is on point, because short-term trading can be very risky, especially when it comes to cryptocurrency, because as you guys know, this is a very volatile market. So what I want you guys to do now is let me know in the comment section down below, when are you guys expecting VGX to be hitting the $1 mark? Is it in the next couple of hours, couple of days, couple of weeks, couple of months, whatever it is? Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto, as I have seen a lot of positive and negative comments around VGX. So yeah, make sure to comment down below your predictions for the $1 mark. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Voyager token, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And as you guys can see, VGX is still pumping right now, more green candlesticks. Let me resume into the 30-minute chart. As you can see, still ongoing, nearly hitting 62 cents right now. So yeah, it's performing very, very well. Hopefully we should be able to hit huge numbers over the coming weeks. And you guys have asked for regular updates on VGX, which I will make sure to do as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. And yeah, on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.